Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add text to your CapCut videos. Adding text to your video can help you convey a message or tell a story. With CapCut, it's really easy to do. So let's dive in and get started. The first step is to import your video into CapCut. I'm going to open it up and click on New Project. And from here, select the video that you want to add. I'll be choosing this video, and here tap on Add. You can either record a new video using your phone camera or import an existing one from your gallery. Now once you have imported your video, tap on the text icon at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up the text editor in CapCut. CapCut offers a variety of text styles that you can use in your video. To choose a style, simply browse through the library and select the one that you want to use. Here, tap on the text template. And from here, select any text that you want. Let's choose this text. I'm just going to tap on this. And if you want to increase the size or decrease its size, you can slide it from here. Now just click on this tick icon, or if you want to search more, you have tons of variety that you can choose from. You can choose the social media, add titles, vlog, outros, chapters, and etc. And once you are done selecting video, just click on this tick icon. If you want to edit the text, just double click on it and write your text. Here tap on this tick icon once you're done. You can rotate it just by grabbing this from here. You can increase or decrease the timestamp that you want your text to be in. Now I'm going to play the video. You can see the text is added to your video. I'm going to end the text just when the animation is stopped. I think that's the point. And this looks good now. If you want to make your own customized text, you can delete this one and tap on the Add Text. Here select the effect or the animation type that you want. For example, let's add this one. Here, type anything that you want. Here, select the font. I'm going to place it right here so I can see. Now select the style. You can change the color from here. Or you can use the effect from this one. I'll be using this. If you want to add the bubble, that is just like the background, you can use this option. And once you're happy with your style, just click on this tick icon and you're good to go. But if you want to add the animation to it, you can simply just select this and click on Style. Here tap on the animation and select the animation. There are tons of options you can choose from. Just tap on this tick icon and you're good to go. You can also increase your size by using this. You can also change its position and rotate it, just like that. If you want to add the start anim, and there you go. And there you have it. Now once you are happy with your text, now it's time to export it. Just tap on this export icon on top right. And this will start exporting your video. Once it is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to social media platform, for example Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you to add your text to your CapCut video. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.